How to fix Instagram loading slow on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open a Play Store or App Store and type here Instagram. Then make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, then just update your Instagram, and if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Go to settings, scroll down until you find battery, then make sure power saving mode is disabled. It's disabled, and if you found here performance mode, just make sure just enable it, and then go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android phone, go to apps and then apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.